Welcome to my channel, Home and Garden Ideas. Here, we bring you a world of inspiration for elevating your living spaces. Discover creative and practical home and garden decor ideas to transform your surroundings into havens of style and comfort. From DIY projects to expert tips, join us on a journey of design, greenery, and cozy living. Hit subscribe, and let's craft your dream space together.
Fall is a wonderful season for garden planters as you can create beautiful displays with a variety of colorful plants and seasonal elements. Here are some fall garden planter ideas to inspire you. Mums and asters. Mums and asters come in a wide range of autumnal colors. Plant them in your garden planters for a burst of fall color. Ornamental kale and cabbage. These leafy greens not only add unique texture and color but also withstand cooler temperatures. They look especially lovely in large containers. Pansies and violas. These cool season annuals come in a wide range of colors and are perfect for adding a pop of color to your fall garden. Coral bells. These perennial plants come in a variety of colors from rich reds to deep purples and they look great in containers. Grasses. Ornamental grasses like miscanthus and Calamagrostis can provide height, texture, and movement to your planters. Dwarf evergreens. Dwarf conifers can provide a structural element to your planters and remain green throughout the winter. Amaranthus. The striking cascading plumes of amaranthus in deep red or burgundy add drama to your fall planters. Fall foliage. Include branches with colorful leaves from trees like maple, dogwood, or birch for added height and a natural touch. Decorative gourds and pumpkins. Add some whimsy to your fall planters with mini pumpkins, gourds, and ornamental squashes. Autumn blooming crocus. Plant these bulbs in your planters for a surprise burst of color in the early fall. Fall themed accessories. Plant these bulbs in your planters for a surprise burst of color in the early fall. Herbs. Consider planting herbs like sage, thyme, or rosemary, which not only look good but are also practical for culinary use. Fairy garden. Create a mini fall themed fairy garden in a planter with tiny figurines, miniature pumpkins, and small plants like moss or ajuga. Succulents. Mix cold hardy succulents like sedum and sempervivum with fall colored foliage for a unique and low maintenance display. Dwarf Japanese maples. These small ornamental trees can add a touch of elegance to your fall planters. Remember to use well-training potting soil and consider the size and style of your planters to create visually appealing arrangements. Also ensure your planters receive the appropriate amount of sunlight and water for the specific plants you choose. With these fall garden planter ideas, you can enjoy the beautiful and festive outdoor space.